Okay, I have a Black & Decker 4.5-inch angle grinder here, and I'm doing a little job where I'm trying to remove some bolts from the bottom of a snowblower, and the guard is getting in the way. It just keeps me from cleanly cutting this off without actually cutting into the material of the metal of the blower. Now, the manufacturers do make a provision for taking these off rather easily, and also putting them back on, because that's where they belong. Don't forget to unplug it for safety.
Okay, we're going to take the cutting wheel off, depress this button over here till the wheel locks, and then use your wrench. Or you can do this with the pliers too. And then the inner one. Now we have to loosen these screws. So just loosen these, not take them out all the way, but loosen them, oh, maybe halfway. A little bit more than that. We have to rotate this, as I'm looking at this now, clockwise. Now it's got to come out a little bit more yet. There. That happened so fast, it didn't show up. But what it is you have to have this black piece here, rotate it. Normally it sits like this. You rotate it, get it loosened up, and you rotate it this far. Everything lines up and off it goes. Okay, get them nice and tight. Put your wheel back on. And you can cut without the guard. Make your cut without the guard.
Now, without too much trouble, we can cut this rusted nut off the rest of the way without having it blocked by the guard. Just use a little extra care during operations without the guard on there.
Okay, putting the guard back on. Again, don't take this off all the way unless you enjoy putting it back on. Now, there's a wave washer underneath there. Line up the holes. I'm going to shake it like that a little bit. Rotate it. There, right there it is. That'd be the position. And at that point, just tighten it back up. Check to make sure it's even all the way around, that it didn't get cocked. Give it a final tightening. All done.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you'd like to get notified when more material comes out. And here are some links to some other videos that you might find helpful.